Hi, my name is Wayne Allen. I'm the CEO of Insurance Thought Leadership, and we're here at InsurTech Connect 2018. And I'm joined today by Mark Chester, the CEO of Leyline Advisory.
Leyline Advisory is correct. Thank you, Wayne. Delighted to be here.
Perfect. So Mark, tell us just a little bit about Leyline Advisory. What it is you're trying to do in the marketplace relative to digital transformation.
So Leyline Advisory was formed approximately 2 years ago. Our intent was to kind of take the new wave of digital transformation, new technologies that are coming out, and really look for an agile way to guide our clients through that journey, helping them to pick the right vendors, the right partners, and really be their advocate and ultimately their best friend through the transformation.
Right. So who would be your typical client?
So our ideal market space is typically around the small to mid-sized clients, in that I'm referring to clients up to kind of the 5 billion mark. Sometimes it goes above and below. There's a little bit of gray space there, but typically it's clients in that 3 to 5 billion on average, normally going through some kind of transformation, whether it's driven by a merger or a divestiture or some other major event or technology refresh that they're looking to put in place.
Right. So Mark, talk to me about when a customer engages Leyline and they go through that experience.
Yeah.
What's their end state? What do you hope they feel or they experience as a result of interacting and engaging with Leyline?
Well, I guess first, my hope is that the clients realize they've got some really talented people, right? We're a boutique firm. We don't want to become an organization with hundreds of people where we can't control the quality of our resources. We have some really high quality people that are on our team. They really know what they're doing. We tend to find that way we don't need to put teams of people on clients. Sometimes 2 and 3 people at a client can make a huge difference to the outcomes that they're expecting. So what we hope is that our clients will recognize the quality of the people. They recognize that we're not trying to just roll the bus in and bring teams. We're trying to innovate and really be a trusted advisor to them and a genuine partner that sees them through their journey to success as well as ours.
Right. So it was interesting. We did a survey with the institutes a couple months ago, and that survey found that most insurance companies believed that legacy IT systems were the biggest inhibitor to innovation. Do you find that to be true? And if it is, how do you guys navigate that reality?
Yeah, most definitely. And I mean, technology has completely shifted, and the speed of technology is just constantly evolving. So trying to adapt your legacy IT to this new framework is like putting a Band-Aid on the solution. You're never really innovating, you're just improving what you have.
Right.
So we like to kind of start with a clean field, greenfield as they call it.
Right.
We find that there tends to be enablers that allow that to happen, such as a divestiture or a merger, or some trigger that allows them to say, we need to completely look at a fresh landscape.
Right.
And then we help them to navigate all the hundreds of insurtechs that are out there, try to determine what are the right applications to meet their needs,
Right.
bring in the right partners, and really help bridge and integrate all of those solutions together to give them a new transformation.
So you mentioned the word partner. Full disclosure, ITL and Leyline are strategic partners.
We are strategic partners.
And we share partnership relationships with other companies. So I guess the point I wanted to make is you guys, you're not a be-all and end-all on every element of the solution, right?
Totally. I mean, when we founded the firm, we had no intention to go and recruit and deliver every type of service out there. There's a lot of really smart people, a lot of great companies that do this. We want to make sure we bring the right people to the table at the right time and help our clients from trying to figure that out, right? We've kind of figured out who the best third party. We invest a lot of time and effort doing the research, making sure that we establish those connections with partners that truly can integrate and work well together.
Right.
And we can bring that to the client in a speedy, executable format.
Right. So, I think we share that notion that there's this great experience and this great outcome that comes from a kind of a guided tour, from the experience of having seen lots of different things and guiding people through the experience, because you've kind of been there and done that. And for most of these folks, it's an experience of first impression.
Correct. I mean, our advisors are typically 20 to 30 years plus experience.
Right.
They've been doing this a long time, but they're up to speed with all the technologies, the latest out there. We keep the firm small so that we can be nimble, we can adapt very effectively. We bridge all of these companies together, and really we're your trusted agent.
Right.
We will help and advise you from start to end.
Right.
And hopefully be a partner with you for many years to come.
Right, great. So what is it that you guys, I guess, what is your differentiator that you communicate that's kind of the thing that draws customers and clients to you guys?
So we find that people like us because of our, quite frankly, honesty, right? The fact that we're only bringing a small team of really qualified experts. We're not trying to solve every problem in the world, right? We're trying to pick a problem, help resolve it quickly with a small team. We don't need lots of people. If you've got the right people, they can get things done very, very quickly.
Right.
In today's world of innovation, digital transformation, many of these journeys are calculated in a matter of weeks.
Right.
If you are onboarding traditional teams, the project's over before it begins.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
So you need the tools and processes and methods that can adapt to a project that starts and ends before you blink your eyes.
Yeah. Right. So we're here at ITC 2018 with 6,000 of our best friends. So, how do you absorb ITC? How do you experience ITC to get the most out of it for the benefit of Leyline and your customers?
Yeah, so we come to these events to gain knowledge, right? So that we can go back to our clients and share that knowledge.
Right.
So we'll spend a lot of time on the exhibit floor. We'll have a lot of conversations. We'll establish new relationships and new partnerships with clients. We'll understand where they're going in their technologies, and we'll help guide them with our perspective of our clients as well, and hopefully guide them to create a better product that we can then bring to our clients.
Yeah, terrific. Mark Chester, been great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Wayne.